Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. This is my outfit of the day. Okay, starting with my hair, the wig that I made. Let me show you, I made another one. And I'm loving it. Got the straight ones. I can't find what I want online, so I'll make my own. So this is another headband wig, and I sewed a bigger comb into this one because them little ones hurt. So I sewed a bigger comb into this one too. So it's a headband straight braided wig in T1B gray. That's the color. It's lighter toward the ends, and I love it. I haven't worn it yet. I just got this headband strapped around here to hold it on. But anyway, like I said, this is my outfit of the day. Just a top from Romans, and my pants are from Woman Within. Shades of purple. Let me get my pose on. This right here is the Christmas tree. Walter brought it in yesterday, so I'll probably be putting it up in a couple days. It's a Christmas tree bag. Very nice. So it doesn't get damaged stored in the shed. Oh. I got on new earrings, y'all. These are bigger, but they're actually lighter than the ones I've been wearing. Lightweight. I like my earrings to show. Okay, I want to thank you all for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. Okay, bye. I'm making all this noise.